Sometimes the best sounds of the Suncoast come from very unusual places. In our case, from right across the hall. Scotty Felsenfeld is our ABC7 Creative Services producer. Who knows? He's also a great guitar player and a singer who frequents open mic nights here on the Suncoast, and he's here to perform an original song called Don't Call It Love. Take it away, Scotty.
Feel free to snap and clap and do whatever you want. It's a funky little tune. Hey little girl, you're walking around this crazy world, you don't know which way to go. The people that you meet, all of the people on the street, they're gonna harm you if you do not do what they tell you to. You're looking for a sign, looking for one from above, so you call it love. Don't call it love. Don't call it love. Woo! Hey little girl, still stuck inside this crazy world. You can't find your way home. You live your life your own way. They take you, then you get paid, but that is not your home. Still looking for a sign, but giving up on one from above, so you call it love. But girl, don't call it love. Don't call it love. You're worth much more than they say. But still you run, and still they stay. You gotta get out, you gotta get right out. So for one last time you'll hear me shout. Woo! Come on. Don't call it love. Calling it love for you on the Suncoast view. Don't call it love, I'm singing out. I'm singing out. Don't you call it, don't you call it love.
Wow!
Something like that, right?
Oh my gosh!
Something like that.
Watching you walk down the hall, you
He's
could
so
do that.
quiet at the office.
He wakes up on a microphone.
I'm serious.
When I got the guitar in my hand,
You
So
are an
pull
animal.
out all the stops.
Wow.
And seriously talented with the strumming,
Thank
too.
you, thank you.
Really, really
For
good.
the record, he's not
amazed.
working for ABC7 anymore. He's out on the road.
Yeah.
You know,
I didn't know how to tell you this, but I'm leaving because I'm going on the road.
Yes.
we apologize if we
Expecting
just
that.
took an employee and got him
We'll ask
discovered.
for autographs. Well, coming up, you are never too young to bust a move. You're going to love what you're about to say. But Scotty, would you play us to the break?
Well, and tell us
Absolutely.
about your band, The Safe and the Sound.
Yeah, so I wrote this with my buddy Joshua back home in Michigan. My band is originally from there, and we're kind of on hiatus now because we're apart. But we are The Safe and the Sound, and you can check us out online. And
All right, bring him
see
down
if
here.
we're coming. Yeah,
bring
let's
him down
You
here.
were so good.
see
Oh
if
my
we can do
goodness.
stuff. Yeah.
All right, let's play some more. We want to see
Sure.
David and Christina dance.
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
let's dance.
Uh-oh. Singing.
Come on.
Dancing.
Look at those guys go.
Oh, yeah, wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.